Use strong passwords. Create complex passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed information. Enable two-factor authentication to FA. Add an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification, such as a code sent to your phone. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system, software, and apps to protect against vulnerabilities. Be wary of phishing scams. Don't click on links or download attachments from unknown or suspicious emails. Always verify the sender's identity. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Change default router passwords, use WPA3 encryption, and hide your network SSID to prevent unauthorized access. Use a VPN when using public Wi-Fi. A virtual private network VPN can help protect your data from being intercepted. Regularly backup data. Keep backups of your important files on an external drive or cloud storage to protect against data loss. Limit personal information sharing. Be cautious about the information you share on social media and public forums to minimize the risk of identity theft. Install antivirus software. Use reputable antivirus software to detect and remove malware, and keep it updated. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices to continually enhance your security posture.